Hey, what it do? Last week it was a running man challenge, no soul gun, it's you. Reppin' the 8762, I'm no chance the rapper, but who the fuck are you? So gone, I don't know, I may be Neo, call me the one. You know I thought this challenge was easy, check my bars, I came across a bit sleazy. Back to the studio to work on my lyrics. I should have stayed in school, I should have studied some physics. I don't care though, you know why? These bars I spit so fly, they make me seem high, rolling through the sky. Take a look into my eye, I could be a spy, I'm a little bit shy. Oh my, no lie, these rhymes just made you cry. That's not gonna stop me though. They don't wanna see us win, trying to stop a flow. So what we're gonna do, you already know for sure. We're gonna win some more. Bless up. What's up guys, it's your boy WannabeMatt. Welcome back to my YouTube channel.